All right, James Spearman here at Sun and Fun. I'm standing in front of the Epic 1000 AX. This thing has been awesome, and it's been coming down the pipe. Everyone kind of knew auto throttle and auto land were coming. It was funny. Just not that long ago, they were making people sign non-disclosure agreements on, hey, don't tell anyone that this stuff is coming. But now they finally unveiled it to the public, and I think it's important to what I do and then my customers, because a lot of them own Cirrus aircraft. And I think this is a great plane for that step up from the SR-22T. Where are you going to go next? Whether it be a Piper Meridian, whether it be the SF-50, I think the Epic 1000 is an amazing option, and it directly competes with the SF-50, and it should be at the top of your list to take a look at this aircraft if you're thinking of doing that upgrade. Right next to me, I've got Justin. He works with Epic. He's over customer. Say it one more time.
I'm the director of customer support.
Awesome. And so, Justin, how's your experience been in Sun and Fun? And then talk to me about Epic 1000, the AX. Like, what's been the reception so far? People sitting in it, looking at it.
Yeah, absolutely. The reception or Sun and Fun is absolutely amazing. Lots of activity, amazing air show, tons of buzz, especially surrounding the new launch of the Epic E1000 GX. So the response from the community has been absolutely incredible. We listened to what the customers were saying. We wanted to respond to what they were requesting. And we wanted to get the features that they were looking at: auto land, auto throttle, Starlink, radar, lithium ion, electronic brake hold. The feature list continues to grow, or not, doesn't continue to grow, but it's larger than what I just listed. So the response has been absolutely incredible from the community. Getting inside, the cool view windows is something that is really kind of the first impression our owners have, is the 73% reduction in heat and infrared coming into the aircraft, which is really important at locations like Sun and Fun here with the Florida heat beat down on you. So it's been absolutely incredible.
Yeah. What he's saying, you might take for a little bit for granted, but these are things that I sell to my Cirrus customers: the lithium ion batteries, Starlink, and you got all these Cirrus owners sticking them in their windows, right? Like trying to jerry rig it into their window. When Epic is the first manufacturer, I believe, that actually has a Starlink antenna on the aircraft.
Yeah, we have a laminar flow pod on the backside of the top side of the empennage. So
Yeah, which just comes standard, or you can have it installed in your aircraft, and it is really cool. The all of those features are ahead of its time, and it's crazy that the other manufacturers haven't made that standard yet. So I think Epic's ahead of its time. If you own an Epic aircraft, I am an authorized service center in Sevierville, Tennessee, right in the Smoky Mountains. If you need anything for your aircraft, I'm happy to help, whether it be flight training or maintenance or even management. Let me know. www.spearmanaircraft.com. Happy flying.